Hi everyone, so we're gonna use these shoes, dirty shoes which I have to clean. I have to fix first this one. It's really like moving here. So it's on and we have to off the radio. So that's the feeder view, so we have to push a little bit further. So I hope it will not move because the cup is not really stuck into this one here. So we're all set. And so everyone, so hi again everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog is we're gonna drive mountain driving, and it's raining this time, so that's the difference. And then we're gonna wear these flats I bought today, this one. So let's go drive. So today I went to the parlor and I'm gonna show you also the video for that. And okay, for now is it's gonna drive, so we're gonna use this one. And it's warm here. And I think the, how do you call that, the pedal slide is good already, so I'm just like hoping it will not move. So because it's not really stable for what I have, it's clipped but not really like stable, because I have to lock it with the paper, and the paper will for sure move because the plastic is smooth and it will maybe slide. So but for now all is good. So foot brake, and okay, ready to go. So foot brake, and we go to drive, and down we go left, and we start. It's not starting it. Okay, foot brake again. So I have to park first. Oh my gosh. Because I was just very focused on this camera. It's very important that I capture it good. So okay, so far all is good. So I will just slide my foot like this one, and of course that you can see also the other side. So I'm not gonna use the left camera because I don't have the camera. Well, I have this one, but this is not a wide angle, so but I can try. So we use the flashlight for this one, and also we're gonna use the camera. And now we're gonna use the video, so we'll see if it captures good. Yeah, because if I use the left camera, so I have to adjust the left side, and if I adjust the left side, you cannot see it in the right side. So I prefer that you can see both here, and I will just move the camera a little bit like that so that you can see both of my feet. So this one, we're gonna use this one for the kind of light, in case it will dark, because there's a lot of trees in the mountain, and for sure later on it's gonna be dark. So again everyone, let's go drive for now, and we're gonna use this black flats going uphill. And of course I'm gonna show you also later on about in the parlor, what I do in the parlor, because I do also the hair, just cutting the hair. It's short now. Very short na. So foot brake, and then we have to do the, so I just want to make sure. Okay, let's go drive and go. So this time it's raining. It's raining, man. It's fiesta today, so I'm not sure if we can pass there, but we just drive through now because it's getting darker. But time to time I have to look for the camera, so I will just reduce driving for that. And we're still now here in the city, so there's no camera of Ikin here and there, so just you there. And I think you can see the lights already for the speedometer, the road, and my foot. So far all is good. So in the mountain later on, before we speed up, I'm gonna check first the camera again.